Hi, welcome you all to the next episode of Acharya Talks. Hope you are all on the pinnacle of glory, celebrating your life to the best. In the previous session, I just talked to you something about negative forms, friends. So, a positive sentence can be made a negative sentence by using not. Not is being created to make the sentence negative. But in most of the sentences, we can use not. Like, I can speak, I cannot speak, I could speak, I could not speak, I will speak, I will not speak, like this. But we identified 8 sentences wherein we cannot introduce not directly. There are 4 in sense-based structures. I want to speak, I want not speak. This is not good. Next, I have to speak, I have not speak. This is also not good. She has to speak, she has not speak. This is also not good. I had to speak, I had not speak. This is also not good. 4 verbs in sense-based structures. Want to, have to, has to, had to. Cannot take not directly. We need to create a solution for this. Then in possessions, present possession, past possession. I have a car, I have not car. This is not good. She has a bike, she has not bike. This is not good. I had arrogance, I had not arrogance. Past possessions. We cannot use not directly. So in possessions, we have 2 structures. 6. When it comes to actions, the simple present action which talks about repeated action and simple past action which talks about finished action also cannot take not directly. I speak, I not speak. She speaks, she not speaks. This is not good. I spoke, I not spoke. So in actions, only these 2. Rest all the structures can take not comfortably, but I remembered you that there is, there are. When it is used in negative sense, take no. There is a book, there is no book. There is a bike, there is no bike. I hope you know this, friends. In order to create negative sentences in these 8 structures, all we need to do is only one thing, friends. We need to introduce do forms. In present, we have to use do, does. In past, we have to use did. We cannot use not directly in these 8 structures. So what we have to do is we have to first introduce do forms into it and then add not. First point. And second thing is, do forms always take a root verb. So whenever you use a do form, we need to use a root verb beside it. These 2 points you need to be comfortable with, friends. So the first one is when I talk about repeated actions, that is speak, speaks. Next, when I talk about past action, that is spoke. And when I talk about possessions, has, have plus noun. Past possession, had plus noun. We cannot go with not directly. And when we talk about sense-based structures, want to, have to, has to, and had to. Here we have to introduce do form, friends. And I think you know very well about do forms, okay? Do is a root verb. It has 2 verbs in the present, plural, singular. Plural verb is do, but singular verb is does. Because if do takes yes directly, it becomes dos. Dos is not comfortable to pronounce. We just stretched it with es. Now it's pronounced as does. Then present participle is doing. Past tense is did. Actually, if we go with do plus ed, that becomes doed. I doed will not be a comfortable expression to go with. So we created did. Then we have past participle. Past participle is done, friends. We have only present and past expressions. So we take the help of present do, does, past did, and communicate, friends. You know about the subjects, right? I, you, he, she, it, Venu, in singulars. In plurals, we, you, they, and friends. But I told you that I and you are always plural except when we use be forms. So I. This is about the subject. Now you have to know how to use this do forms first. In present we have do does. Singular verb must always be with singular subjects. Does. Plural subjects should always take a plural verb. So she does, he does, Venu does, Ravi does, Raju does, I do, we do, you do, they do, my friends do, my neighbors do, my parents do. You know about this. This can take not friends. We can say she does not, he does not, they do not, Ravi does not, my father does not, Raju does not, Sunil does not, my neighbors do not. I hope this is clear for you. In past we use did, and this also can take not. I did, he did, they did, we did, Ravi did, I did not, he did not, Ravi did not, Raju did not. Now just look into it. In present, simple present, we have speak and speaks. And I told you that do forms always take root verb. So negative sentence for this is, positive sentences, నేను మాట్లాడతాను, I speak. నేను మాట్లాడను, I do not speak. ఆమె మాట్లాడుతుంది, she speaks. ఆమె మాట్లాడదు, she does not speak. I do not write, she does not write. I do not explain, she does not explain. So every simple present structure will take do not, does not with a root verb in order to create a negative sentence, friends. See, Sachin plays cricket. Sachin does not play tennis. Narendra Modi rules the country. Narendra Modi does not rule America. Try to understand this. Venu teaches English. Venu does not teach Hindi. So every time you want to create a negative structure in simple present structures, we have to first introduce does not, do not. For plural subjects, do not. For singular subjects, does not. And we have to associate it with root verb and then go for it, friends. When it comes to simple past, the same thing. I spoke. I did not speak. I explained. I did not explain. They came. They did not come. We finished. We did not finished. My mother cooked biryani. My mother did not cook biryani. Venu trained English. Venu did not train mathematics. We watched a movie. We did not watch a movie. I hope this is clear for you, friends. So in structures of simple present and simple past, in order to create negatives, we have to first introduce do forms into it, and then we have to make a negative structure out of it, friends. I think this is clear for you. The same thing is with possessions also. So she has a car. She does not have a car. I have a bike. I do not have a bike. She has confidence. She does not have fear. They have money. They do not have arrogance. I have belief in myself. I do not have fear in myself. She has a bungalow. She does not have a hut. She has a wonderful attitude. She does not have arrogance. They have properties. They do not have negative thoughts in their minds. I hope you understood this, friends. When it comes to past possessions, which you go with had, I had a bicycle. I did not have a bicycle. They had a car. They did not have an ambassador car. We had fear. We did not have confidence. I had negative thoughts in my mind. I did not have positive thoughts in my mind. I had lot of pressure in myself. I did not have glory in myself. I hope now you understood this, friends. Every time you need to talk a negative sentence and possessions, you have to first introduce do, does and did. Does for singular subjects, do for plural subjects, did in the past. You have to add negative and use a root verb beside it. That's it. And let's work with this also. I want to speak English. I do not want to speak English. She wants to speak English. She does not want to speak English. I want to play cricket. I do not want to play cricket. She wants to play cricket. She does not want to play cricket. I want to rule this world. I do not want to rule my country. She wants to win the race. She does not want to waste her time. So every time you need to create a negative structure with want to, we have to introduce do not and does not. And the same with have to and has to. She has to go. She does not have to go. I have to go. I do not have to go. She has to submit the report. She does not have to submit the report. I have to submit the report. I do not have to submit the report. She has to complete the project. She does not have to complete the project. I have to finalize the matter. I do not have to finalize the matter. And when it comes to had to, it's a past expression, right? I must go with did not. Did not have to. As root verb is have to. I had to finish the race. I did not have to finish the race. I had to pay the money. I did not have to pay the money. I had to write the exam. I did not have to write the exam. I had to watch the movie. I did not have to watch the movie. So in these 8 structures, in order to create negative, we created do forms. So in present, we use does for singular, do for plural. And then we can use not for it, and it always follows with root verb. And in past tense we use did not followed by root verb. Hope this concept is clear for you, friends. So other than this 8, all the other structures will take comfortably not. I'm busy, I'm not busy, state of being. I was busy, I was not busy. I'll be busy, I'll not be busy. I'm writing, I'm not writing. I was writing, I was not writing. Continuous actions. I'll be writing, I'll not be writing. I have written, I have not written. You can check every sentence. So practice this 8 sentences using do forms. See, I told you already, the strength of developing your English depends on focusing on exceptions and limitations. These 8 structures are exceptions. Rest of all the structures use not comfortably. So you have to practice this 8 expressions. At least this 4 to the best, if not this 4, because the usage of this 4 may not be much, but definitely simple present, simple past, present possessions, past possessions will be at your optimum usage, friends. So you need to master it. And if you are not mastering do forms in negative sentences, even it becomes difficult for you to create questions later. So start working on it. Celebrate learning. All the best, friends. Don't waste your time, because time is life. Your skill designs everything that you want in your future. Without a skill, don't expect anything to happen in your life, because this world does not want you, but this world wants the skill in you. Understand this, friends. Thanks a lot for this opportunity. Keep going, friends.